we're using hello. We're using an AEG washing machine, and I want to use it, so I decided to do some washing.
Why don't you turn it on so that we can see it weighing the washing?
No. But we can pour this into there.
No, we can't. No, we're not doing that.
Okay then. So I'm going to put this in now.
What are you doing then?
I'm putting the washing in.
All of it?
All of it.
Any straggly socks anywhere?
No.
None at all?
This one. And here's one. Oh. I'll put that in there.
Why not? You putting anything else in?
No. Not enough, won't it?
Okay, pop it in there. Great.
I'm going to put some vanish gold in. Can we use this one?
Tiny bit, yeah. We'll put a tiny bit in. You don't need too much in there. Small spoonful.
That's right.
That'll probably be about enough.
Hang on. This will be enough.
Yeah, it's a bit much that. Tip some out of that. A little bit more to tip away. Alright, no, that'll do, fine. Go on then, put that in. Where are you going to put it in? Tub one?
Yeah.
Okay. So what next? So can you explain what you're doing? Do you want to explain what you're doing?
I'm turning it on.
Okay. So cottons.
It is.
Okay, good. And then what?
Cotton's 40, don't we?
Yeah. Brilliant.
And then start.
No, we're doing double time save as well today. Brilliant.
And then start.
Well, if you're ready, then go. What are you doing now?
Looking the thingy, and look, it doesn't even do anything. Gonna watch it through whole
Well, listen, no, well.